Hi there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets. And today we're going to be talking about Holy Saturday, which was really a quiet version for a very quiet day. As always, in the descriptive box below, there are links to various websites if you need more information, including one for Amazon.com that has all the books for sale in the best-selling series San Miguel de Allende's Secrets, including one dedicated to Easter. Holy Saturday in San Miguel de Allende is mostly quiet, as the city waits for the joy of the resurrection on Easter Sunday, when the events of Holy Week will come to an end. This quiet day is the feast of Our Lady of Solitude, a patroness of San Miguel de Allende since 1555. Today, the Benedictine cloister just outside of San Miguel de Allende is named in her honor. The first public plaza in San Miguel de Allende, where Allende rides astride his horse in a large statue, was originally named for Our Lady of Solitude, now called Plaza Civica, and her image will be carried around it on Saturday night. The popular name Marisol is derived from Maria de la Soledad, or Mary of Solitude. As always, feel free to click the subscribe button below, and you'll get automatic notification of new videos as they come out here on the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets.